So 3.1 is on life insurance. So life insurance is something that you can opt into if you want. It's not required insurance like car insurance, but it's money that's paid out to family members or beneficiaries when you die. But you have to pay monthly or yearly what we call premiums. That's the cost. Okay, so also they build up a cash value over time. So a term life insurance policy, it's the least expensive and you buy it for a specific term. That's why it's called term. So 1 year, 10 year, or maybe until you're like 50 or a certain age. So if you die during that policy, then your beneficiary will just get that amount that you've put in. So straight life policies give you permanent lifetime protection, and it just builds cash value that will be paid when the person dies. And then limited pay is permanent lifetime protection. It builds up for a specific number of years. So we're going to look at some charts. It's usually for $10,000 coverage, and then we're just going to multiply if we want that higher. And then it's based on age. And as you get older, the cost gets more. Because as you get older, sadly enough, you're more likely to die. Okay, so let's look at an example. Use the chart to determine the premium. So again, it's for $10,000 of coverage on this chart, but we're looking for a 25-year-old with $40,000. So we're going to take this value and multiply by 4. That's what the 40,000. Because you multiply by 4 here, 10,000 times 4 gives you that 40,000 that we need. Make sense? Okay, 25-year-old, so right here. And they want limited pay. So see where those meet? Right here. So 40, 50 multiplied by 4. So 162. That's what the premium would be. That's the payment. And you can put the cents or not. You're still going to get it right. Okay, we have another chart. Again, it's $10,000 coverage, and we're looking at 40. So same thing, we're going to multiply by 4 once we get our number. So now we're looking at a 28-year-old. So age 28 is not on the chart. So here's how this works. If you sign up when you're 25, you get that same price for 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and then when you turn 30, you switch. And you get that same price until it switches again. So 28-year-old is going to get the cost of 25, and we're looking for term coverage. So right here. So 745 multiplied by 4. So $29.80 would be the cost. Okay, determine, here's our chart. So we have a 17-year-old. So again, we're going to go back to 15 because they're not quite 20. When they're 20, it'll switch. And then $80,000. So this is 10. To get 80,000 would multiply by 8. So we're going to multiply by 8. And then it's straight life. So this one. So 14 times 8 is 112. That would be the premium cost.